Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the JavaScript array methods called flat and FlatMap. They were introduced in ES2019. See, I have an array here, an array inside it, another deeply nested. So what if we wanted to make all these elements into one single big array? We have to use flat method. Constant, let me create new array. We have to use flat method. Array of flat, it flattens array. Console with load it. As you can see, I have got into one single array. What if there is another array inside it? Let me console of it. As you can see, I have got an array inside it. By default, flat method is one level deep. So as you can see, nothing changes. What if let's use 2 level deep? See, I got it. What if there are multiple arrays inside it? Let's use 10, 11. See, we can't count all this, so we have to use just infinity. See, enough of flat. Let's talk about FlatMap. Let me create an array. I'm gonna create 2 or 3 arrays inside it. So, what if we wanted to multiply each element by 2? First, we have to flatten this array, then low power it to multiply each element by 2. Let's see how can we do it. Constant new array. We can use flat also. Let me see. We have to first flattening the array, then looping it to multiply by 2. Flat method, it flattens some array here, then we are looping that array to multiply each element by 2. Console no. See, we got it. We can also use flat map like this. It expects a map function inside it. See, we are waiting returns an array, flatten array, and we can use it array map, looping it or array item. Let's call it. Then let's multiply all these elements by 2. See, we have got it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment what you want me to explain in the next chapter. Thank you.